Starting and running a successful business is no easy feat. According to statistics, around 20% of small businesses fail within their first year and 50% fail within the first 5 years. However, some businesses have a much lower failure rate than others. In this video, we'll explore several types of businesses that have a proven track record of success and an amazingly low failure rate. 1. Franchising. Franchising is a business model where the franchisor, that is the company that owns the brand, grants the franchisee, that is the individual who owns the business, the right to use the company's brand, products, and services. Franchising has a relatively low failure rate because the franchisee is provided with a proven business model and a support system from the franchisor. Additionally, the franchisor typically provides training, marketing, and operational support to the franchisee. 2. Online businesses. The risk of e-commerce and online marketplaces has made it easier than ever to start and run an online business. Online businesses have a low failure rate because they have lower overhead costs and a wider reach than traditional brick and mortar businesses. Also, additionally, online businesses can be started and run from anywhere, making them a popular choice for entrepreneurs who want the freedom to work from home or while traveling. 3. Service-based businesses. Service-based businesses such as consulting, personal training, and financial planning have a low failure rate because they require less startup capital and have lower overhead costs than other types of businesses. Additionally, service-based businesses can be started and run from home, which makes them a popular choice for entrepreneurs who want to keep their overhead costs low. Niche businesses. Niche businesses such as specialty food stores, organic farm-to-table restaurants, and artisanal goods shops have a low failure rate because they have a dedicated customer. And those customers are willing to pay a premium for their products or services. And also, niche businesses often have a strong sense of community and loyal customer base that helps to drive word of mouth marketing and repeat the business much more easier. Businesses that solve a problem. Businesses that solve a solution to a common problem or fill a gap in the market have a low failure rate because they are meeting a specific need in the market. These businesses have a clear target market and are able to attract customers who are actively searching for a solution to their problem. Examples of these businesses include home cleaning services, meal delivery services, and home repair services. Starting a business is always a risk, but by choosing a business model with a proven track record of success and a low failure rate, you can increase your chance of success. Whether it's a franchise, an online business, a service-based business, a niche business, or a business that solves a problem, there are plenty of opportunities to start a business with a low failure rate. With the right approach and solid business plan, you can turn your entrepreneurial dreams into a reality. It's also important to note that while these businesses may have a relatively lower failure rate, it's not a guarantee of success, and one should conduct thorough market research and due diligence before starting any business. So if you enjoyed this video and got a valuable information, I would like you to also check out my recommended videos displayed on the screen. Kindly drop a comment, and also don't forget to hit the like and smash the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Peace.